Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Character AI for learning and education. You can use Character AI for learning and education in various creative and engaging ways. First is to create an education character. You can create characters that act as teacher, tutor, or subject expert in various fields such as math, science, history, and etc. You can use character to simulate real-world scenario like business meeting, job interview, or medical consultant. This can help students prepare for practical situation in a safe interactive environment. You can use Character AI to ask questions about topics you are studying, and AI can provide explanations, summaries, and step-by-step guidance. Use Character AI to practice speaking and writing in new language. The AI can respond in a target language and provide correction to grammar or pronunciation. Some of the things to keep in mind is that be specific in your prompts to get tailored answer. Use feedback from AI to correct mistake and improve, and create character with specific expertise to enhance your learning experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.